See the first point. All non-zero digits. All non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are significant. Look at this. 2, 2, 2. These are non-zero digits. So here we have 3 SF apostrophe S, 3 significant figures. All non-zero digits are significant. Never ignore non-zero digit. Okay. Right. Second point, zeros. Zeros in between. Zeros in between two significant figures. Zeros in between two significant figures. Two significant figures are significant. Zeros in between two significant figures are significant. Okay. Zeros in between two significant figures are significant. Example 202. 202. 0 is present in between two significant figures. 2 is non-zero digit. These two also non-zero digit. Non-zero digits are significant. Okay. So significant, significant. So in between two significant, 0 is present. So 0 also a significant figure. So we have 3 significant figures, 3 SFS. SF apostrophe S. 3 significant figures. Clear? Online students. 2 points. Okay. Right. Next. I'll take another page. Third one. Starting zeros. Starting zeros or leading zeros are not significant. Starting or leading zeros. Starting or leading zeros. Starting or leading zeros are not significant. Starting zeros or leading zeros are not significant. Look at this. 0.00272. 0.00272. This is starting zero. Starting zero, starting. These are present first. Before these numbers, these came. These are starting zeros. Not significant. Not significant. Starting zeros are not significant. So here how many significant figures are present? Tell me. 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures are present. Starting zeros are not significant. Before numbers they started, right? So they are not significant. Starting zeros are not significant. Next. Fourth point. Ending zeros. Ending zeros are tailing zeros. Ending zeros are tailing zeros. Ending zeros are tailing zeros. After decimal point. After decimal point are significant. Ending zeros or tailing zeros after decimal point are significant. Look at this. 0.2730 after a decimal point. After point, see one important point. 0.20 now. For the symmetry, I can take 0. This is having no importance. No importance, right? After a decimal point onwards, we have to consider 0.2730 or 0.2730. Both are same only. Don't give any priority to this 0. Okay, don't consider this as a starting 0. Okay, after a decimal point, if zeros are there, consider them only as starting zeros after a decimal point. before decimal point, you can imagine the 0, you cannot imagine the 0, nothing will happen. Now see, this 0 is ending 0, last, it is present in last, ending 0 or tailing 0. It is present after decimal point, So this is a significant, this is significant, significant, significant. So all are significant. So how many significant figures? 4 SFS, 4 significant figures. Starting zeros are not significant, ending zeros are significant. Okay, online students. So I'll give you one question based on these points. We covered some points, right? I'll give you some questions, let us do. Then you will get perfection. Okay, what is first point? All non-zero digits are significant. Zeros in between two significant figures are significant. Starting zeros are not significant. Ending zeros after decimal point are significant. Okay, let us do some questions. I'll give you that examples also. Okay. If it is not covered, you tell me, I will write. Okay. First of all, check whether your question is there or not here. Tell me, Adiba. 120 point. 120.00. Look at this first question. These are starting zeros, not significant. Starting zeros are not significant. See here, 0 is present, but in between two significant figures. So this is significant. This is number significant. What about this 0? Ending 0 after decimal point. Significant. So total how many significant figures we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant figures. Next, this one. Six significant. 2 significant. This is significant. Okay. This is not starting. Before that, one number is there or not? Okay. This 0. What about this 0? See, this 0 is not starting 0. After decimal point, it is coming or not? And it is not starting. 0 after decimal point is significant. Are you getting the point? If 2 is not there, this is considered as a starting 0. But this is not starting 0. Starting number is 2. So this is significant. This is significant. This 0 also is significant. And significant. If it is starting 0, then that is significant. It is not starting 0. And it is after decimal. What is the point? After decimal, anything is significant only. It is ending 0 or after decimal point. If 0 comes, that is considered as a significant. Okay.